गुड इवनिंग चिल्ड्रन। आज मैं तुम लोग को ज्योमेट्री का बेसिक थिंग समझाने जा रही हूँ। खास करके ये क्लास 7 से शुरू होता है। ज्योमेट्री का बिल्कुल बेसिक थिंग है, वो मैं एक्सप्लेन करने जा रही हूँ। लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स, माय टॉपिक इज लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स. You can see there many terms I have written that I want to explain because your geometry starts from these all terms, the basic thing of geometry. First going to start point. Point is just a mark, don't have length, breadth and height, only a dot indicated by A, this dot, B, like this. It is only a mark, not length, breadth or height, just only mark. Second thing is line. I have written there point, and second thing is line. Line is the collection of points. Line जो है वो ढेर सारे points के collection है जो कि infinite तक जाते हैं। एक स्ट्रेट पाथ में, एक सीधे पाथ में ये जाता है। लाइन इज ए कलेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट्स, which moves to infinity in a straight path. ये लाइन होता है जिसका दोनों तरफ से हम इस तरह से एरो सिंबल लगाते हैं, क्योंकि ये एंडलेस पाथ है। ये दोनों साइड टिल इंफिनिटी ये जाता है। इन दिस वे वी कैन डिफाइन लाइन. लाइन इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट गोज अलोंग द स्ट्रेट पाथ टिल इंफिनिटी इन बोथ डायरेक्शन. दे आर एंडलेस डायरेक्शन, सॉरी एंडलेस डिस्टेंस. In this way it is a line. We denoted by, suppose there are any 2 point, select A and B. It is denoted by, line is denoted by AB in this way. AB. From A to B, this is indicated by AB. And if we indicate BA and both side like this symbol, that means B to A. It is a notation of line. AB, BA, like this symbol is a line. Third thing is line segment. Third is line segment. As I explained, a line, suppose AB, A and B is a line. And take any part of this line, A from anywhere. I am taking from this to this. Suppose it is PQ. Then from here P, this point is P and it is Q. Then it is called line segment. It is called line segment. A part of line. एक लाइन का एक छोटा टुकड़ा जो एक पार्ट है उसे हम लाइन सेगमेंट कहते हैं. Line segment is a part of line is written as PQ, can denoted by like this PQ, only like this line. And from Q to A, Q to P, it can denote like this. It is a line segment. Line segment has 2 end point, one P and second Q. Both end point, the initial point and ending point, both point is there in line segment. That is a line segment. Line segment is over. Now fourth number is ray. Fourth number is ray. Ray is also a part of, ray is a part of line. Ray is a part of line. Suppose I am taking from P. I am taking from P to endless distance. Then ray is denoted like this, starting from P. From P, that means initial point is known. One end point only. In ray, one end point. and other direction is going to infinity. It is endless. P and this direction is endless. Suppose there is Q, PQ. Then ray is denoted by PQ in one direction where proceeding ahead. That side is arrow symbol. It is PQ. Ray is also a part of line, has one end point, initial point, and going to infinity in a straight path. In a straight path, it is denoted by PQ like this symbol. That is ray. Ray is over. Now plane. What is plane? Plane is a flat surface. Plane is any flat surface has till infinity length, breadth. Till infinity length, breadth. It can extend also. Suppose A, B, C, 3 points on a plane. Like this is a plane. Plane is a flat surface. Their length, breadth can exceed till long. Next, your parallel lines. Plane over. Parallel line. Two lines in a plane. Two lines in a plane don't meet anywhere. Have not meet anywhere. Don't have any intersecting point. That means distance between both at each and every points always same. These distances are always same. All are equal everywhere. They दोनों लाइन कहीं भी एक दूसरे से नहीं मिलते हैं. ये दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे के पैरेलल कहे जाएंगे. अगर ये दोनों लाइन कहीं भी मिल जाएंगे, दैट मीन्स ये पैरेलल नहीं है. टिल इंफिनिटी, प्रोसीड टिल इंफिनिटी, लेफ्ट एंड राइट डायरेक्शन, दे आर नॉट हैविंग एनी इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट. ये कहीं भी एक दूसरे से नहीं मिलते हैं. ये ब्लैक बोर्ड के बाहर भी जा सकते हैं और कहीं भी एक दूसरे से ना मिले. ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल लाइंस कहलाएंगे. एंड इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. Intersecting lines. That if two in a plane, a two line AB and CD in a plane, two lines have a one common point anywhere. इन दोनों लाइन के बीच में कहीं भी कोई एक ऐसा पॉइंट हो जो दोनों में कॉमन हो, तो ऐसे लाइंस को हम इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस कहते हैं. कहीं भी ये जाए, ये दोनों अगर एक दूसरे से मिल रहे हैं तो ये पॉइंट इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस कहलाएंगे. ये पैरेलल नहीं कहलाएंगे, ये इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस कहे जाएंगे. पैरेलल लाइंस ओवर. नाउ इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस ऑल्सो ओवर. आई होप you all understand. Next is perpendicular lines. But the two lines, suppose one line is there AB, one line is AB, and another line makes 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle on the first, then it is called perpendicular to each other. It's called perpendicular lines. If one line makes angle 90-degree on other line, it is called perpendicular angle. Is a perpendicular lines. Is over. Now properties of lines. There are three properties of lines. First property is properties of lines. First property is infinite number of lines can be drawn from a given point. If a point is given, then infinite number of lines can be drawn from this point. infinite number of lines can be drawn from this point. In this way, infinite number of lines can be drawn from this point. Infinite number of straight lines can be drawn through a point. Second property is one and only one line passes through two distinct points. Second property is if 2 points are given, suppose A and B, 2 points are given, then one and only one, not two, only one line can be drawn through these two distinct points. One and only one line can be drawn. A straight line can draw through this 2 points. One and only one line can be drawn through two given points. Third property is two different lines in a plane are either parallel or intersecting. Third property is in any plane, so that in this blackboard, this is a plane. In any plane, two or more than two lines are either parallel, either there are only two conditions. Either they are parallel to each other, otherwise intersecting to each other. Not another option. Either they are parallel to each other, otherwise intersecting to each other. There are only two conditions for two lines, or more than two lines also you can suppose, but for two line I am defining any two line in a plane, either they are parallel to each other, otherwise intersecting to each other, have a common point or don't have any common point. There are only two options. Next, it is over. Properties of line. Three properties I explained. First number, from any given point, infinite number of lines can be drawn. Always remember, from a given point, infinite number of lines can be drawn. Second number, in given any 2 point A and B, one and only one line passes through two distinct points A and B. And third number, in any plane, the two lines are either parallel or intersecting to each other. That three properties. Next, more than 2 points are collinear. Two or more than 2 points are collinear if all points lie on a same straight line. If all points A, B, C, D, E, all points lie on the same straight line, they are called collinear points. These are collinear points. Two or more than 2 points, if lie on a same straight line, then it is a collinear point. Next, concurrent lines. If collinear lines over, now concurrent lines. Two or more than two lines passes through a single point, then it is called concurrent lines. These all lines are concurrent lines. If two or more than two lines passes through a same point, single point, then it is called concurrent lines. Hope all are understanding well. Concurrent lines. And next is your angle. If two line segment has one point common, is called A, B, suppose P. This P point is common in both line. P is common in both line. And any point is common in two lines, then it is called angle. Now types of angle. With respect to angle, there are many types of angle. First is acute angle. The angle which is greater than 0. 0 means a line overlap to each other, then this is 0 angle. The angle greater than 0 and less than 90 degree is called acute. Greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, then it is a acute angle. This angle is acute angle. Suppose it is 60 degree. It is acute angle. 70 degree is acute angle. 30 degree is acute angle. In this way, acute angle is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Next, right angle. 90 degree angle is a right angle. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, then it is a right angle. Now, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means if greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, this angle is 180 degree. A straight line, a straight angle, it is 180 degree. Then angle less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Just like example is 170 degree. 170 degree is obtuse angle. 170 is less than 180 and greater than 90. 95, 98, 99, 100, 102. These all are obtuse angle. Now a straight angle. A straight angle is 180 degree angle. Is called a straight angle. Absolutely it is a straight. At any point it is a straight. It is 180 degree. 180 degree angle is a straight angle. Now reflex angle. Reflex angle is this is point P, B, A. It is 180 degree, and if an angle greater than 180 degree, then it is a reflex angle in this direction. Angle always in anti-clockwise direction is positive. Anti-clockwise direction is positive and clockwise direction is negative. In this way, in this direction it is a reflex angle. Suppose 210 degree is reflex angle. 210 degree is reflex angle. This is reflex angle. Going in this direction, it is reflex angle. Like this, it is reflex angle. Greater than 180 degree is a reflex angle, and less than, if it completes, that means going to complete it is complete angle is 360 degree. Is 360 degree.